Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of diabetes care with a product that's been making waves. The Essentia Contour Next Blood Glucose Test Strips. If you or a loved one are managing diabetes, you know how crucial it is to have a reliable glucometer kit by your side. And let me tell you, after extensive research and testing, we found that the Essentia Contour Next kit is hands down the best option out there. Let's break down why this kit stands out from the rest. First off, accuracy is key when it comes to monitoring blood glucose levels. With these test strips, you can trust that you're getting highly accurate results every time. Plus, the no-coding technology means you get fast results without the hassle of manually entering codes, reducing the chance of errors. But accuracy is just the beginning. These test strips are designed with ease of use in mind. With just a tiny 0.6 all blood sample, you can get instant results in seconds. And get this, the second chance sampling feature allows you to apply more blood if needed, helping you avoid wasting strips and saves you money in the long run. Worried about compatibility? Don't be. These test strips are compatible with the entire Contour Next portfolio of blood glucose meters, giving you flexibility and peace of mind. But don't just take my word for it. Customers all over the globe are raving about the Essentia Contour Next test strips. Just listen to what Big Pete had to say. Much cheaper on Amazon and easy to use and accurate. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best glucometer kit, look no further than the Essentia Contour Next Blood Glucose Test Strips. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. That's all for today's episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews. Until next time, happy testing!